Hey, what's up guys? I'm a Pulki Singhal, student of Bachelor of Business Administration from Hari Institute of Technology. You all know that the currently situation is going on very badly in these days in our nation due to this COVID-19 pandemic disease. What is spreading in all over the world. Meanwhile, and in terms of that, a remarkably initiative has been enhanced by Hari Group, and I'm just gonna be appreciate the whole entirely efforts to all management faculties who are working for us to provide the online courses. And I'm so thankful and grateful to this digitalized learning, what we are taking through online workshops, PPTs, PDF files, online lectures, and there are such many things. And hopefully we would grab this sui generis opportunity in offering also. And eventually from this online course, each and every curious candidate can learn easily and also nurture his future. And lastly, you are requested to please kindly follow the all rules and regulations to this lockdown and stay safe in home. Thank you.
My roommates, this is Akif here. So first of all, I would like to tell you, I did BBA from Hari Institute of Technology. And this is a difficult time for every person because COVID-19 is spreading everywhere, almost every country. So recently, I was concerned about my studies. And then our teacher started the online classes for us through by WhatsApp group, through by video conferencing, through by PPT. And I wholeheartedly thanks to all my teachers who give us a great education in this hard period. So thanks Hari College, stay home and stay indoors, stay healthy.
This is Akash Diman from HIT College BBA third year. As you know, coronavirus is spreading and India is fully locked down due to COVID-19. This is a very critical situation. So I'm very thankful to my institute, Hari group of institutions and our teachers because they are providing us online classes and presenting the matter through PPT and seminars. So my suggestion for all students, keep learning at your home, which our teachers providing us online classes and PPTs. You can learn that because we have no any other way for learning. So my suggestion for you, keep learning at your home. So this is all for me. Have a good day, have a great day, and I'm very thankful my institution, Hari Group of Institute. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day, have a great day.
Are from BBA third year, and first of all I want to pay thanks to my institute, HIT, Hari Institute of Technology. And as we are aware that the current situation is very critical situation due to the COVID-19, and the government has declared that the classes will be suspended till their instructions, and along with that the syllabus is also lagging behind, and with the help of teachers we can even study at home too, as they are creating PDF, live video session, and even the topic wise PDF for us, which are very beneficial for us. And I want to pay thanks to all teachers and management for encouraging us. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.